Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. They have launched their signature lip lightweight lipstick. Ooh, that's hard for my tongue to say. Hello, my beautiful friends. My name is Libier, and I make videos most every week on faith, beauty, and style. And it is my absolute hope that I would bring your everyday value. I am so excited for today's video. I'm gonna be sharing with you a PR package unboxing of Merit Beauty. And they just launched a beautiful signature lip lightweight lipstick that is gonna be just the right fit for your makeup bag. Get ready, let's go. I want to introduce you to Merit. This is a luxury, minimal, clean brand that sells at Sephora. They launched January 2021, and they have come out with a new product that I'm really excited to share with you. I've done my makeup with all the products that I did not receive from the brand, and so that way we can play with the samples that they did send us. Let's get into the package because she is beautiful. They sent over this amazing, adorable little bag. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for sending these over to me. I'm so excited to play with them and to share them with my tribe. Merit Beauty is one of the brands that I actually reached out to last year when I was doing a fashion and beauty editorial for a magazine. And now I get the pleasure of partnering with them on this video to share their new launch. They have launched their signature lip lightweight lipstick. Ooh, that's hard for my tongue to say. It comes in this gorgeous packaging. What I love about Merit is they have really beautiful, like clean, minimal aesthetic, and it just looks so pretty. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys did great. That looks so beautiful. This one is the color Fashion. You open it up like this. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. This is the color Fashion. Okay, and let's go ahead and give that a little swatch. Ooh, right away I can tell this is super creamy. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love colors like that. I feel like this is gonna be a great thing to wear for spring and summer. This is the second signature lip lightweight lipstick, and this is in the color Cabo. Ooh, Cabo. I went to Cabo last year. Hopefully this reminds me of that. Again, that gorgeous packaging. That is so pretty. Ooh, that's gonna be hard to pick which one to wear today. I'm gonna swatch both of them on for you, but I'm thinking that Cabo is gonna be it for today because I'm wearing almost all black. No, I'm wearing all black. Hey, I only have a few more days of winter and then it's springtime, and then I wanna be all light and airy and bright, but for now, let's keep it black. Okay, I'm gonna open up the other things that they sent over. This is their Day Glow, and I think it's a, ooh, yes, a highlighting balm. Open it up like so. Again, oh my gosh, I literally love this packaging so much. It's so beautiful. Ooh, hello. Ooh, that is super creamy. That is so beautiful, you guys. Okay, let's use this, and we're just gonna finish out the makeup with this little guy. We're gonna pop this on the high points of the face. And first impressions, this is like the silkiest little, oh wow, that's beautiful. Super silky, it's not chunky at all. My goodness, that is gorgeous. I love that. I feel like this just gives like a really healthy, beautiful glow to the skin without it making it feel super stroby or too much. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love, 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 love. That is beautiful. The way that I do highlighter is always just on the high points of the cheek, a little bit down the bridge of the nose. We're gonna put a little bit in the Cupid's bow, and then in the inner corner of the eye. That's my favorite places to put highlighter, and this highlighter is legit. Woo! Merit. This is gorgeous. You know what I love about it is that I travel so much that I love little products that I can just pop into my bag that are just easy and effortless, and you know, you can't beat the chicness and the sophistication of the beautiful packaging. Oh, they also sent over a little Flush Balm. This is a cheek color. Let's open her up. Oh my gosh, I love little cute things. It's so beautiful and sophisticated and chic. Let's see about the color. Sometimes really like that. Okay, I'm going to use this little brush. This is the MAC 161 SES brush, and this is by far my favorite brush to do cream blushes with. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love, oh my gosh, this is my new favorite blush. You know why I love it so much? It blended out like a dream, but it is so, like the color is just so pretty. I was really nervous because it looked a lot like a wine color on the packaging, but it looks just like a little, you know, just a flush. Like you just got a little, you got flushed. Love got into your cheeks, you know? You know that feeling of feeling flushed with love? I feel like this is what this makes me think of. Flushed with love. I'm so excited. Okay, what else? What else did we get? We got Brow 1980. Ooh, I was born 1983. Hey, I wonder what that means. I wonder if that's meaningful to their owner or founder. Ooh, I love this. This is for the brows. This is the packaging. Okay, and we open it up like this. All right. Ooh, okay, what I like is that it kind of just like takes control over your brow, you know? The brush is just really nice. It's not overwhelming. I have thin eyebrows, you guys. I don't like to envy other people or be jealous of other people. If I get jealous of someone's brows, it's just more of a thing for me to be like, God, you made her with such gorgeous brows. Let me celebrate her brows. But I think I plucked mine way too much when I was in junior high, and I tell my kids, I'm like, don't pluck your eyebrows. Don't pluck them because you can really overpluck. But anyway, with my thin brows, this brush was not super overwhelming. Sometimes I get a brush and I go on and then it's like all over the place and it's all over the face. But this one did not do that. It made me feel just like it went on really nicely. It brushed the brows into place and the packaging is gorgeous. Now let's get into the lips. Let's do fashion first because I think I'm gonna settle with Cabo for the rest of the day. I have to go pick up my kids in just a minute. So we're going to try this out. Ooh, oh my goodness. That is a beautiful color. And I feel like that with this blush is genius. It's very comfortable on the lips. What I love about this is that it's pointed. You can contour your lips very nicely with the little point it provides you. All right, let's see. Now we're gonna go for Cabo. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I love them both so very much. I feel like it's so easy to apply and it's just not fussy at all, like once you apply, but it has such gorgeous, beautiful packaging. This would be an amazing, amazing gift for moms. It's coming up. I absolutely love these samples. Thank you so much, Merritt, for sending these over to me and for trusting me with your launch. Congratulations on this beautiful, beautiful lipstick. You guys knocked it out of the park. I was a fan and I hadn't even tried any of your items, and now I truly am a fan. I'm a fan of your vision. I'm a fan of just the simplicity of your makeup products, the fact that they're clean and beautiful and just aesthetically pleasing. Thank you so much for sending these over to me and trusting me to share them on my channel to my tribe. I love my tribe and I honor both you guys, and it's just always a pleasure and an honor to be able to bring what you guys have to offer to my amazing community that we're building here on YouTube. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.